In this tutorial, we'll add knowledge sources to Specteron correctly. We'll cover website URLs, uploaded files, and manual notes. First, open the Knowledge Base section. This is where we add the information that the AI agent will use during conversations with users. The first way to add knowledge is by using a website URL. Paste the link to a website page that contains useful information, such as product details, support rules, documentation, or frequently asked questions. After pasting the URL, confirm the import. Specteron will process the page and prepare it as a knowledge source for the AI agent. The second way to add knowledge is by uploading a file. You can upload documents such as PDFs, instructions, FAQs, product guides, or company materials. The third option is adding manual notes. Notes are useful for short information that may not exist in a document or on the website yet. When adding a note, keep it clear and specific. You can add support rules, short instructions, escalation rules, or answers to common customer questions. Before using the agent with real customers, check that every source has been processed correctly. If a source is still processing or has failed, review it before trusting the AI answer. After the sources are ready, test the agent with a question related to the added content. This helps confirm that the AI can use the knowledge base correctly. Check if the answer is accurate, clear, and based on the information you added. If the answer is incomplete, update the source, improve the note, or add better documentation. This completes the knowledge base source setup. You now know how to add website URLs, upload files, create manual notes.